Well, hi everybody, Mindy here. I wanted to take a few minutes and do another update on the Magic EA. I did one yesterday and I'm doing another one today because I wanted to show you something that I think is pretty remarkable. So anyway, this first account that you're looking at is the account where I am running the test on the Magic EA, using it on the USD pairs and the JPY pairs. So it's essentially running 14 pairs, right? And it's been running since January 7th. Yesterday, the negative PL was about negative 27, 28, not that different from where it is today. And if you remember right, last Thursday and Friday, it got to the point where the negative PL was getting close to $3,900, right? And so on Friday of last week, I had turned the auto trader off for a few hours while I self-managed out of a couple of positions and then turned the auto trading back on. So the auto trading has been on essentially all of this trading week, which started on Sunday, March 10th. Today is March 12th, and it is about 11:30 p.m. where I am. So we are, not quite halfway through this current trading day. And so anyway, the negative PL is kind of stabilized in this negative 2,500 to negative 2,800 range for the last several days. And that's okay, but here is the account history. Now this is the history that has just happened in the trading day that is current, which started at 4 p.m., which was about 8 hours ago. Okay, but when we go to the history and we pull up everything for this week, which, we've had, when we go to the calendar, we've had the Sunday, Monday trading day and the Monday, Tuesday trading day, right? And so now we're in the Tuesday, Wednesday trading day. But if we go back and take all of the history just since the 10th, when this week started, to today, to current, here's what we have. We have closed $459 so far this week. Two trading days and another 8 hours essentially is what we have. And I think this is absolutely remarkable. But it's not as remarkable as what I'm going to show you next. This account also started trading on January 7th. It's trading the Magic EA on 30-minute time frames, and it is trading all 28 pairs in this list over here, which are all of the pairs that can be created by taking the 8 major currencies of the world, right? Currently, the negative PL is right at $1,000 negative PL. It's been running right at 1,000 negative PL all day today. Yesterday, I think it was higher. I think it was, 1,600 negative. But when we go to the account history, so far in the trading day that is today, it's only done $7.89. But when we take the history back to Sunday, which would be the first trading day of this week, this is what we have. This is just mind-boggling. We have closed $1,100.10 so far this week in 2 trading days plus 8 hours. Okay? I mean, I'm blown away with this. I don't know if you guys think this is impressive or not, but I think it is incredibly impressive. Now let me remind you, this account started trading January 7th. Today is March 12th, so that's 2 months and 5 days. And in equity balance, the account is up $6,379. That is 63% if somebody wanted to close everything that's currently open and quit the account right now. In 2 months, it's up 63% in equity balance. Now, the equity balance goes up and down as you are using the free margin to manage the trades, right? So if all these trades started trending against themselves, if the market started trending against all of these trades, the negative PL is going to go higher again. And when it does, that takes money out of the equity for the time being. As the negative PL goes back down, the money is replenished into the equity balance. Okay? So that's this account. The third account is also trading all 28 pairs. It's trading 30-minute charts on the Magic EA, but this account has only been trading about 5 weeks, I think. I think it started trading the 1st of February. Currently, the negative PL is only $292. The equity balance is up $3,497. Like I said, it started trading the first part of February. That's 34% in just a little over 1 month. Okay? And when we go to the account history, so far today, it's closed $13. But when we go to the custom period and we take the history back to Sunday the 10th, this is what we get. The scroll bar is just amazingly long. $1,175 is what it's closed so far this week. Now, the thing is, the only reason these accounts are closing these huge amounts of profit are because we have had trades that went bad in the account, right? Because right now what we have is we have 2 hedges and quick fixers that are currently working, right? Now, we have not had a lot of original trades this week. Original trades are new positions that are put into the account. When we go to the history and we sort the history by the type of trade that was entered, we can look here, sort them by comment, find all of the trades that are original trades. And this is so far this week. And we can see that we've only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 new trades open this week. All of this profit is because of hedges and quick fixers that have gone in and out on bad trades over and over and over and over and over again, right? So, what I want to tell you guys, this is why I developed the EA this way, because this is how you make money in Forex. Having Forex account and trying to get perfect entry every time you take a trade is incredibly difficult, right? But the thing is, when you have a good money management strategy and you're using a good strategy to begin with, if you can hedge your trades, there is never a reason to take a loss on a trade, even when you have a trade that goes horrifically ugly, right? So anyway, what we have right here is we have a hedge and a quick fixer for this EUR-AUD trade, right? And this trade actually went in on February 27th. That's not all that long ago, is it? But let's go see how many times this particular trade has hedged and quick fixed. The number ends, the easiest way to find it is you look at the last three numbers. The number ends in 378. So we're going to go to the history and we're going to look through all of the history and look for hedges that end in 378. And they're probably going to be down here toward the lower part of the list. So let's see if we can find any that end in 378. Here we go. Okay, right in through here, what we see is here's a hedge for that trade ending in 6378. So it's hedged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. 11 times. So 11 times that one trade has hedged. Now, you're looking at this and you're going, but wait, you lost money on that every time. We did. We bought out these hedges with quick fixers. So now we know we lost money on those hedges. Let's go see how much money we made on the quick fixers that were associated with those hedges. So we'll come down here to our list of quick fixers, and we're looking for the quick fixers that have an ending number in 378, and they start right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's the same 11 positions, right? Well, here's how much money we made. 15, 17, 7, 11, 18, 32, 29, 26, 29, 40, and 26, right? Now, from this profit, we would have deducted the losses that we took on the hedges, right? So let's go find the hedges again. 378 is what we're looking for. There they are, right up in here. 378. Okay, so -9, -20, -25, -11, 10, 16, 20, 16, 5, and 8, and 11. Okay? Smaller numbers, right? Which means every time we close that hedge and quick fix combination, we made a profit. Every time, right? So anyway, that's just what I wanted to show you, because sometimes one trade might hedge and quick fix 20 or 30 times. Other times it might hedge and quick fix once. But most of the original trades that go in never hedge and never quick fix, because they come out just fine before they go negative enough to pick up a hedge. Okay, so anyway, that's what's happening with the EA. And if you remember right, the negative PL on this account a few days ago was right at $2,000, very close to $2,000. And now, just a day and a half later, it's down to only being $292 negative. And there's a good chance that every single one of these trades could close off today or tomorrow, right? We can see that the oldest trade in the account was entered on 2/27. Well, the account's been trading since the 1st of February. So what that tells us is that the entire list of trades has closed off at least once, maybe more often. We want to know when the account started trading. All we have to do, we're on the complete history right now, and we can see when the first trade went in. It went in on January 29th. Okay? So anyway, there you have it. I think this is blowing me away. These results are better than I ever expected, because in just 5 weeks This account by itself is up 34% in equity. That's 6% a week. That's 3.5 times what I ever expected the EA to average. But the only reason it's doing that is because we usually will have a couple of trades at a time that go ugly. And it's not a bad thing when that happens. So I just wanted to show that to you. If you'd like more information about the EA, just come to my website, which is www.mindyyost.com, and you can find all the information you need right here. Okay? So anyway, thanks for listening. I hope everybody has a wonderful trading week. Be careful with the Brexit situation. It's still not resolved. And the opportunity for absolutely crazy moves in any of the Forex pairs, but especially the GBP pairs, the risk for crazy is very high this week. So be especially cautious with your trading this week. Okay? And I'll talk to you again soon in a couple of days and let you know the newest update on how the EA is doing. Okay? Bye for now.